Let's make a book. Here's an example of what the book will look like when it's finished. Here we have a bow, or you can just make a knot, and it has a cover and has pages on the inside that turn. You don't need to have any glue or staples or anything. This is what you need. Some paper. If you want to have different kind of paper for the cover, you would need a different kind of paper for the cover, and some scissors and a piece of yarn. You can also use string, or also in another kit you have something to make different kinds of friendship bracelets like this. You could make something like this and use this instead if you wanted to do something more fancy, but just a piece of yarn or string will work perfectly, or ribbon. So what we're going to do first is we take our inside papers and we're going to fold them in half. Now, some people have lined paper in their kits. Some people have plain. You pick what you want, whatever kind of book you're going to make. Maybe you're going to make a journal. Maybe you're going to make a diary. Maybe you're going to write a story, like a make-believe story, just out of your imagination. Maybe you're going to write about something real that happened to you, comic book, a drawing book. Maybe you're going to make a gift for someone. These are the things I like about you. It's all different books that you can make. So decide what you want to do there and pick the pages that you want and how many you want. So I folded it in half, hamburger style, and then I cut it in half. Now what I'm going to do is put this on my colored paper, and then I am going to trace that and cut it out so that I have a cover. I've decided to use my printed paper, but you can use a colored paper, or you could just have white and color it in however you like. It's your book. You decide how you want it to look. Now I'm going to put my cover on there. Then I'm going to fold it in half. Then I'm going to push down my fold. If you really feel like being perfect, you can take your scissors and kind of mash it a little bit more. You can do that with every page if you like. It just depends on how precise, how perfect you like things. Now, this is how I'm going to put the string on it so that the book can be bound together, so it'll hold together. I'm going to cut a little V right in the middle. Then I'm going to snip off just a little bit on both ends, just like that. So it's 3 cuts, snip, snip, and a V in the middle. Then I'm going to open up my book to the middle. I'm going to take my yarn, put it through the middle, and I'm going to pull it up. So one goes up and one goes down. So this one is going to go back through. See where there's no yarn here? I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it back through the hole so that it comes out the other side. And then this yarn is going to go around. Then I'm going to tie it. And that's it. So then I can tie it in a bow, or I can just tie a knot. Okay, and then I'm going to just cut that. I'm going for no bow this time. Then here is my book. As you can see, you can turn the pages and it will stay together. So you want to put on the cover, you would want to put your title, and then you are the author, right? And then maybe if you're also the illustrator, you would say, by, and then put your name and then illustrated by, just like that. You could also use recycled paper. If you have paper that's messed up on one side, you can just glue the messed up sides together, and then you can use recycled paper and make a book. So you see how easy these are. You can make a million of these. Enjoy, write, imagine things, and share your thoughts with the world.